Garmin is poised to shake up the smartwatch market with the forthcoming Fenix 8, a cutting-edge GPS watch packed with innovative features. A significant departure from its predecessors, Fenix 8 will showcase an AMOLED display, marking a bold shift away from the traditional memory and pixel M8 displays. This upgrade heralds a new era of visual excellence, offering a more dynamic, high-contrast, and energy-efficient display. With AMOLED technology, users can expect a more immersive experience, deeper blacks, richer colors, and a faster response time. However, this transition also raises questions about potential drawbacks, such as increased power consumption and susceptibility to screen burn-in. As Garmin's flagship model, the Fenix 8's AMOLED display is set to redefine the standards of smartwatch visual fidelity. The Garmin Fenix 8 will debut in a trio of sizes: 43mm, 47mm, and 51mm, offering unparalleled versatility to accommodate diverse wrist sizes and personal style preference. This thoughtful approach acknowledges that a one-size-fits-all solution is no longer sufficient in today's smartwatch market. By providing 3 distinct sizes, Garmin empowers users to select a watch that perfectly complements their unique physical characteristics and fashion sensibilities. 43mm size is ideal for those with smaller wrists or a preference for a more understated design. 47mm size strikes a balance between style and functionality, making it suitable for a wide range of users. Meanwhile, 51mm size caters to those with larger wrists or a desire for a bold statement-making timepiece. This size variety ensures that the Fenix 8 can be worn comfortably and confidently by individuals with different wrist sizes, without sacrificing style or functionality. By offering choices, Garmin demonstrates a commitment to inclusivity and user satisfaction, setting a new standard for smartwatch design. Whether you prioritize elegance, comfort, or a bold statement, the Fenix 8's diverse size options guarantee a perfect fit. Upgraded health sensors for enhanced tracking. The Garmin Fenix 8 will boast an array of cutting-edge health sensors, headlined by the inclusion of electrocardiogram, ECG, heart rate monitoring. This advanced technology enables the watch to track heart rhythms and detect irregularities, providing a more detailed understanding of cardiovascular health. By incorporating ECG capabilities, Garmin empowers users to monitor their heart health with unprecedented accuracy. For fitness enthusiasts, the Fenix 8's ECG heart rate monitoring will be a game-changer. By tracking heart rhythms during exercise, individuals can optimize their workouts, ensure they're pushing themselves safely, and monitor progress over time. Meanwhile, health-conscious individuals will appreciate the watch's ability to detect potential heart health issues, enabling early intervention and prevention. The Fenix 8's comprehensive health tracking capabilities will also include advanced metrics such as heart rate variability, stress tracking, and sleep monitoring. By combining these features with ECG heart rate monitoring, Garmin creates a holistic health monitoring system that provides invaluable insights for users seeking to optimize their well-being. With the Fenix 8, individuals can take a proactive approach to their health, making informed decisions to improve their lifestyle and prevent potential health issues. Improved water resistance for diving. To compete with top-tier smartwatches like the Apple Watch Ultra, the Fenix 8 will feature enhanced water resistance, making it suitable for diving and other water-based activities. Solar charging for extended battery life. All models of the Fenix 8 are expected to come equipped with solar panels, helping to extend battery life. However, the impact of this feature on overall battery performance remains to be seen. Release date and price. The Fenix 8 is rumored to be released in early September 2024, with a price point that is expected to be higher than previous models due to the inclusion of premium features. While the exact price has not been confirmed, it's clear that the Fenix 8 will be a significant investment for those seeking a top-of-the-line smartwatch.